Summer brings sunshine and outdoor fun, but also pesky mosquitoes. Here are 10 plants to naturally repel them. Citronella's citrusy scent masks attractants, making it hard for mosquitoes to find you. Place potted citronella around your patio. Lavender's soothing fragrance repels mosquitoes, flies, and moths. Plant it in sunny spots or use dried lavender indoors. Marigolds contain pyrethrum, a natural insecticide. Their bright flowers repel mosquitoes and other insects. Plant them around your garden. Basil's strong aroma deters mosquitoes and flies. Grow it in garden beds or pots near outdoor seating areas. Peppermint's minty scent is pleasant to humans but repulsive to insects. Grow it in containers to prevent spreading. Rosemary's strong scent deters mosquitoes and flies. Plant it near outdoor living areas or use fresh sprigs in cooking. Lemon balm's lemon scent repels mosquitoes. Plant it in partial shade and crush leaves to release their scent. Catnip is more effective than DEET at repelling mosquitoes. Plant it around your garden but beware of attracting cats. Lemongrass has a strong citrus scent similar to citronella. Plant it around outdoor areas or use it in cooking. Geraniums, especially citronella-scented varieties, repel mosquitoes. Plant them in garden beds or containers near entry points. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.